welcome you all to this presentation on kinematics. Okay, this is the diagram. Then the question is find the acceleration of the car during the first 8 seconds. B, distance covered in the first 14 seconds. C, value of t if the average speed of the car is 7 meters per second. Okay, now we need to know that this is paper 1, and paper 1 we don't use a calculator. So first thing, we are going to answer this one here. Okay, let me use this space here. I'll say A is equal so now the first one, it is acceleration. A is equal to final velocity, okay, then minus initial velocity over time taken. Okay, so here in the first 80 seconds is from here up to this side. So this is our V, which is the final, and the initial here is what? 0. Okay, and then time we see 8. Then our answer is going to be A is equal to, our final here is going to be 9. Then whatever that we're going to put here, it will just be what? 0, because our initial here is 0. 9 take away 0, it will just be 9 over 8 here. Then this one into this, how many times can 8 go into 9? So now, like for this one, if I told you are not sure on how many decimals you can leave this answer, you can leave this answer as a mixed fraction. Now we'll say this one into this, it will give us 1, remainder 1 over 8. Okay, so you can leave like this, then you say it's meters per second squared. It's acceleration. Then if I told you can this one, you are able to divide here without using a calculator. Here it's 1, then 8 into 1 is a point there you had a 0. 8 into 10, it's 1. Okay, remainder 2. Then 8 there, it's you had a 0 again. 8 there, it's 2. Remainder 4. Then we add again a 0. 40. 8 into 40, it's 5. Then it's meters per second squared. This is the answer, the acceleration in the first 80 seconds. B, distance covered in the first 14 seconds. So in the first 14 seconds is here. Okay, it's from this time from here, the distance is 0 to 14, having this up to this side. So here the formula that you are going to use, okay, B we will say it's distance is equal to half B, okay, half A plus B, we close, then H. Okay, so here we are saying that from here up to this side, we'll say here it's A, put A from here up to there, which is 14. So A here is equal to 14. Then we also have this distance from here up to there. We subtract 8 from 14, and we'll get 6. This side is 6, which is B is equal to 6. Okay, the height here it's 9. Then we get this and the place in the formula. Okay, so in this formula we'll say it's half A here it's 14, then plus our 6 B there is 6, close bracket times 9. Okay, then is equal to half times this, and this will get a 20, then times here it's 9, then half of 20 there it's 10, so here it's 10 times 9, the answer is 90 meter. This is the distance in the first 14 seconds. See, value of t if the average speed of the car is 7 meter per second. They want this value, okay, this value. So now here, how do we calculate the time? So remember, we are told the average speed of the car is 7 meters per second. Then we know that the formula that we use here is we'll say S. Okay, allow me to use this space. So it's C. The formula is speed is equal to distance over time. Okay, distance over time taken. Then here we have been given the speed to be 7. Here this is 7 centimeter. What we don't have is the average distance. Since we do not have average distance, and we have the distance in the first 14 seconds is from here up to there. So now this distance, we are going to add another distance here. So now for us to add this distance, first thing we are going to find the distance here. So this distance we are going to subtract it's 14. Okay, it's t minus 14. Okay, here it's t minus 14, t minus 14, so that we can just remain with this part here. Okay, so here we'll say the same formula, which is this one, it's the same one that we're going to use here. So we'll say d here is equal to so here we'll say, okay, that's half again. I'll say a plus b, then h. So here, from here up to there, we'll say this is a, and this is b, and height here it's this one. So this is h. Okay, that's our h there. So having this, we'll just replace here. So here we are saying that half here, our a is from here to there it's 9 plus this side is 7, from here up to this side where there is b 7. Okay, we close, then our h here it's open bracket. So here we have t minus 14. This is our distance, our height this side, the value of 8, it's t minus 14. Then having this, we can add this and this, we get a 16. So here it will be half like this, sorry, then times 16 here, open bracket, t minus 14. So whatever happens, half of this is 8. So here we'll say it's 8, open bracket, t minus 14. Then we can distribute this and this, and this. Okay, so now this is the distance that we have. This is our small distance here. Then remember that we are going to use this formula. So when using this formula here, we find the average speed. So the average speed here, we are going to add this part here, the distance in the first 14 seconds, and also this distance. We need to have what the total distance. So to add this, we'll simply say we'll say total distance. Okay, total distance for the whole journey. Total distance, we get 90. This side we've got 90. We also have this one, which is 8, open bracket, t minus 14, we close, plus 90. So this is our total distance. Having this, we can simplify this. 8 times t, we're going to have 8t. Then 8 times 14, what's the answer here? Minus 8 times 14 here. 8 times this one is 32, so we'll say 2 remainder 3. 8 times this one, it's 8 plus 3, it's 11, then plus 90. Okay, we have something like this. Then 112 minus 90, so here it's 0. Okay, so here we have 8t minus, here this one take away this, there is 2, 11 take away 9 is 2, so we are going to have 22. Now this is our distance, the total distance for this whole journey. It's 8t minus 22, this one. So having this is the one that we are going to replace so that we can find what time. Okay, so where there is this here, where there is speed here, we replace by 7 meters per second. We have been given that. We'll say 7 is equal to our distance here. It's this one here, which is 8t minus 2. Okay, this is our distance over our total time here. So total time there is what? T. We've got the t, that is our total time. So here we just replace by t. Okay, t, that is our total time. Then we can balance this by putting 1 here. So 1 times this one will get 8t. Okay, minus this and this will get a 22 there. Okay, is equal to this and this will get is equal to 7t. Okay, so we have something like this. So having this here, we can transpose this to the other side, or just finding the additive inverse of 7, which is negative 7, or of 8, which is negative 8. So transposing this, we'll say it's negative 20. 2 here is equal to 7t minus this one is going to be 8t. Okay, so here it's negative 22 is equal to this, and this will get a negative t. Okay, 7, 8, so get a negative t. Then you multiply throughout by a negative 1 to get rid of negative, or you divide throughout by negative 1. So here the answer is going to be 22 is equal to t. So here therefore our t is equal to 22 seconds. This is the value of t on this diagram. Okay, thank you very much.